Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to download Heritage Bank app on your mobile phone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and do not forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss any update from us. Let's begin the video. In order to download Heritage Bank app, go to the Play Store if you are Android user, and if you are iPhone user, go to the App Store. Here you can see the search bar, type in Heritage Bank Limited. Here you can easily find the app. Tap the Heritage Bank Limited app. Now tap the install button. While downloading or installing the app, make sure to have a stable internet connection. Heritage Bank is Australia's second largest mutual bank. This mobile banking app allows you to check your available account balances, view transaction history, transfer funds between accounts, pay your bills, view and activate your cashback offers. To know more about this app, you can read the description. You can see ratings and reviews as well. Once the installation is complete, you can open the app by clicking open button. To operate this app, you need to log in with your user ID and password. After logging in your account, you can easily use this app. So this is how you can quickly download Heritage Bank app on your mobile phone. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments or feedbacks, you can comment down in the comment section below. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.